What's up, traders? Listen carefully because something massive is unfolding right now in the crypto markets. Bitcoin, Ethereum, the entire altcoin space. The charts are screaming, and if you're not paying attention, you're going to miss one of the biggest moves of the year. I'll walk you through exactly what I'm seeing, what I'm doing with my trades, and how I'm positioning myself for what's next. But before we dive in, if you want to trade crypto or Forex with leverage, zero nonsense, and real global access, check the links below this video. Bitunix trade crypto 24/7 worldwide, including Bitcoin, ETH, and altcoins. MeXC, another excellent crypto exchange, not available for US users. Use any of those links before your next trade. It's free to register, and you'll thank yourself later. Here's what's happening. Bitcoin is once again showing us that it's the king. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I've been preparing for this move for weeks. We're seeing strong momentum building, but we're not out of the woods yet. The price is pushing hard against a major resistance level, and this is where most traders either panic or miss the opportunity. This is the time to be strategic, not emotional. While the RSI isn't overbought yet and momentum remains bullish, we need confirmation before we talk about any parabolic targets. Here's the big number, $119,400. If Bitcoin breaks and closes above that level with volume, confirming resistance as new support, we could be looking at a potential move toward $141,000 in the next major wave. We've already broken out of the smaller W pattern at $117,300, which is a strong bullish sign, but again, confirmation is key. Until we see a decisive daily close above resistance, patience is our best weapon. So for now, I'm keeping my long-term positions open, some of which I've held for years, and waiting for the market to show its hand. My strategy is simple. I don't chase. I position myself early, then I wait. Sometimes that means, taking a small loss on a short-term setup, but that's just the cost of capturing the bigger moves. Over the last few months, and honestly even the last 3 years, that approach has consistently paid off. Crypto is a game of patience, conviction, and discipline. Most people fail because they try to time every single candle. I'd rather focus on the macro picture, the big breakout that changes everything. Here's the reality. October historically leans bullish for Bitcoin, but this market doesn't reward those who hesitate. If we get that breakout, you really don't want to be sitting on the sidelines wishing you were in the trade. So my advice? Be ready. Be funded. Be positioned. And the best way to do that is to trade with platforms you can trust. Platforms that actually give you an edge. Bitunix. Trade crypto 24/7 anywhere in the world. MeXC. Top-tier crypto exchange, but not available for US users. All links are below this video. Go check them out now and get set up before the next major move begins. This isn't financial advice, it's preparation. Most people will sit on the sidelines, scroll past this video, and do nothing. A few will take action, and those few are the ones who will look back in a year and say, that was the moment everything changed. Be one of them. The markets are moving. Bitcoin is knocking on the door. And if history repeats, the next breakout could be life-changing. Links are below. Let's get to work.